beside all the tired hemorrhoids, full of space, full of space. Hear me, I am the oblivious, the obvious. Hear me, I am the storyteller. I will open your heart and smile as everything darkens inside, while you wait for light as the clouds bring the rain and I the thunder. I will stand here above all the room and desire. I will stand here beside the awake and alive till they die. Till they die. Hear me, I am the oblivious, the obvious. Hear me, I am the doubtful.
enjoyed the colours. There has been some challenges, especially with the background and seeing how I kind of sort of booked out with the reeds and everything else, but it did all come together, and I'm very pleased with the textures as well from the bristle brushes, and the use of the liner brush as well, so it didn't interfere at all in my opinion. So yeah, I think it's come out very nice. I think got a nice atmosphere, nice light. I think the birds are particularly interesting for this one. Obviously, it just brings it to life, doesn't it? I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Please check my website www.vernonwjones.com. So thank you very much, and see you soon.
Self-satisfied look at you. You don't care who you overtook you. Put aside these unwanted thoughts. After all, it's what I am to you. Did you ever cry alone? Did you ever try to be sorry?